Here is a quick tip for acrylic markers with a brush tip. If you want to make some sparkles, it's the best if you are doing bigger and smaller dots, and you can achieve that with only one marker. So the trick is in the pressure. If you push harder, you will have bigger dot, but if you push only very lightly, you will have smaller dot. So you can change the pressure and change the size of the dots and make the variety of sparkles just like this. And you don't need a huge set of markers with various sizes. You can do everything with only one brush marker. And this is the best if you work with oil pastels. I did the background with oil pastels and then I used this golden satin glazing liquid. But these markers, and it doesn't have to be only Artex, but all the acrylic markers, they work on top on oil pastels even without using the varnish. So this is a great way how you can save your Posca while adding a little bit of magic on your page.